This European-inspired mansion in Greenwich, Connecticut, and situated on over 2 acres of land. Privately nestled away from the noise of the city center and surrounded by mature trees and beautiful landscaping grounds. The Stucco-clad residence features approximately 9,400 square feet of living space and was built in 1999 with 7 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms and includes richly detailed entertaining spaces and luxurious amenities. An oversized family room with double limestone fireplaces opens to a covered patio, outdoor pizza oven, and fountain gardens, while fireplaces anchor both the formal and gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances, breakfast room, dining room with marquetry flooring, and office with cherry built-ins. Although large by almost any standard, this home achieves an intimacy and a welcome home quality that comes from good design. The luxurious master suite offers water views of the Long Island Sound from the master porch while overlooking the pool and pool house. The entire house is served by a 4-stop elevator. Additional features include a lower level with playroom, exercise room, 9-seat home theater, and garaging for 6 vehicles. The home was on the market for $14,900,000 and it was sold for $12,800,000 in July 2020.